Title: The Journey of Life from Implantation to Birth. Scene 1: Implantation, the first connection, midnight to 0:45. Visuals: a tiny blastocyst floating inside the uterus, softly glowing. Narrator: nestled inside the mother's womb, a tiny structure called the blastocyst prepares for a life-changing event, implantation. This is when the future baby attaches to the uterus, forming its first real connection with the mother. Visuals: the blastocyst embedding itself into the uterine lining, blood vessels forming around it. Narrator: within days, the placenta begins to develop, providing oxygen and nutrients. This marks the true beginning of a miraculous 9-month journey. Scene 2: the embryo takes shape, 0:45 to 2 o'clock. Visuals: cells multiplying, forming 3 distinct layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Narrator: from this point, rapid changes occur. The embryo begins to form layers, each with a special role. One layer will become the brain and nerves, another the heart and muscles, and the last will form the digestive system. Visuals: neural tube forming, a faint heart appearing, pulsing softly. Narrator: by week 4, something truly amazing happens, the heart starts to beat. Though smaller than a grain of rice, this tiny heart will one day power an entire human body. Visuals: close-up of the developing heart, pulsing rhythmically. Narrator: at 5 weeks, the embryo grows a head, spine, and limb buds, tiny beginnings of arms and legs. Though still less than half an inch long, its journey is well underway. Scene 3: the fetus begins to move, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Visuals: the embryo growing, limbs stretching, facial features forming. Narrator: as weeks pass, the embryo transitions into a fetus. By week 8, the face starts to take shape, eyes, ears, and even a tiny nose appear. Visuals: the fetus floating in the amniotic sac, gently moving its forming fingers. Narrator: the arms and legs now move, though the mother can't feel them yet. By week 12, the fetus is fully formed, just tiny. Its organs are in place, fingers and toes are visible, and even fingerprints are developing. Scene 4: the second trimester, growth and awareness, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock.